If your kids struggle to settle into new environments, their anxiety comes up, or if you just want to encourage them to really be themselves in a variety of different environments with different people, then Rolling Thunder Finds His Herd is a story for you. The story starts with a snuggle breathing meditation, and then you meet our character who has just been moved to a new herd. And I hope I fit in, worried Rolling Thunder, feeling scared and out of place on his first day. He tries being bossy, and that doesn't work, and he ends up all alone. And then he tries being super shy, but he gets picked on. Luckily, with the help of the lead mare, Gracie, he gets permission to be himself. They met your bossy self and they met your shy self, but what about your real self? Next day, Rolling Thunder doesn't worry what anybody else thinks. And in the process, everyone gets interested in him and he makes new friends. This story teaches kids how to make friends in new environments, how to be themselves, and the activity page will help you connect as a family reflecting on the day. That's Rolling Thunder Finds His Herd, written by Andrew Newman and available through consciousstories.com.